Исәнмесез, балалар? Hello, hello, hello. How are you? I like to be with you, and you, and you, and you. How are you today? Ничек сезнең хәлләрегез? Let's begin our English lesson. Дусларым, без бүген сезнең белән сәяхәткә барырбыз. Ләкин безнең сәяхәтебез гади түгел. Без ел фасыллары буйлап сәяхәт итәрбез. Сәяхәт итәргә безгә тылсымлы сәгать ярдәм итәчәк. Балалар, карагыз әле сәгатькә. Ул безгә төрле ел фасылларын күрсәтә. Барлыгы ничә ел фасылы бар? How many seasons are there in a year? Yes, you are right. There are 4 seasons in a year. They are spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Look at the first picture. It is spring. Yes. Repeat after me. Spring. It is summer. J. Summer. It is autumn. Көз. Autumn. It is winter. Кыш. Winter. Today we will speak about summer, spring, autumn and winter. Let's start. Хәзер мин сезгә табышмак әйтәм. Дөрес җавап бирсәгез, беренче кайсы ел фасылына сәяхәткә барганны белерсез. Listen. Blue sky is seen. The trees are green. The world looks new and gay because grey winter's gone away. What season is it? Yes, it is spring. Wonderful. Boys and girls, look at the picture. What do you see? Yes, the sky is blue. The trees are green. The sun is shining. There are birds and flowers. Good. Алдагы табышмакны тыңлыйбыз. The wind is blowing. The snow is falling. When all is white, short day and long night. What season is it? Yes, you are right. It is winter. What is the weather like in winter? Yes, the weather is cold. It is snowing. You can see snow everywhere. The rivers and lakes freeze and we can go skating and skiing. Very good. Next. The flowers are blooming. The sun is shining. The rains are few. The sky is blue. What season is it? Yes, it is summer. You are right. Excellent. What is the weather like in summer? Yes, it is hot or warm. The sun is shining. The days are long and the nights are short. There are many green trees and nice flowers in the parks in summer. The pupils don't go to school. Соңгы табышмакны тыңлыйбыз. Listen. This is the season when fruit is sweet. This is the season when school friends meet. What season is it? Yes, it is autumn. Very good. What is the weather like in autumn? Yes, the sky is gray. The sun is not shining. It is cold. It often rains. You can see yellow, red, brown leaves everywhere. Хәзер әйдәгез ел фасыллары турында уеннар уйнап алыйк. Let's play. Мин сезгә төрле предметлар күрсәтәм. Сез аларның нинди ел фасылына туры килгәнен әйтергә тиеш. Look, there is a snowflake, a yellow leaf, a flower, and a green leaf. Алар кайсы ел фасылына туры килә? Yes, a snowflake is winter, a yellow leaf is autumn, a flower is summer, and a green leaf is spring. Well done! Алдағы уеныбыз What is wrong дип атала. Рәссам ел фасыллары турында рәсемнәр ясаган, ләкин ул бераз ялгышкан. Look, what season is in the picture? Yes, it is summer. Нәрсәне дөрес ясамаган рәссам? What is wrong? Yes, a snowman and snowflakes are wrong. Good. Алдагы рәсемне карыйбыз. Next. What season is in the picture? Yes, it is winter. Look, what is wrong? Yes, a green tree and flowers are wrong. Wonderful. Балалар, һәр ел фасылының да яраткан төсе бар. Нинди төсләр икән алар? Children, look at this picture. What season is it? Yes, it is spring. What color is spring? Yes, it is green. Now, what season is it? Yes, it is summer. What color is summer? You are right, it is green, yellow, red, blue. Ягъни bright, якты, төрле төсле. What season is it? Yes, it is autumn. Good. What color is autumn? Yes, autumn is yellow. What season is it? Yes, it is winter. What color is winter? Yes, it is white. Very good. Ә хәзер әйдәгез ел фасыллары һәм аларның төсләре турында шигырь өйрәник. Listen and repeat after me. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. Балалар, без бүген сезнең белән ел фасыллары турында өйрәндек һәм аларның төсләрен белдек. Now, the lesson is over. Goodbye.